The Creative Europe program.
Creative Europe program.
Creative Europe program.
Why is Creative Europe important?
The Creative Europe program puts the spotlight on the richness and diversity of the European creatives.
Simply because together we are stronger.
Creative Europe program is so nicely described in its own slogan, Imagine, Create, Share.
Creative Europe is about working together.
It has a unique European added value that a national cultural supporting mechanism cannot have.
It's a unique program which strengthens and helps creative culture sectors to find their right position and place.
It helps to build an effective communication which helps to promote your project on the whole continent in 41 countries instantly. This is unique.
Creative Europe enables strong European projects and works to cross borders,
cross disciplines, and also cross our minds.
And I think that's what we really need to make a peaceful living together on this planet.
I believe the network of Creative Europe desks is really unique.
I like to see us as connectors.
Each Creative Europe desk has a huge knowledge of the cultural sector of its country.
We connect professionals beyond borders.
With the help of this network, partner search is much easier for potential applicants of the program.
It helps to expand your artistic work.
It's the road for better circulation of cultural production and audience development.
Positioning and placing our small countries in the right place.
To make people understand what EU funding and support is about.
And we connect the world of policy with the real world.